This weird part of the pillow here I think is the key feature that helps me with my snoring. Mainly because when I sleep on my side, I snore less. And the way this pillow is designed is it really encourages side sleeping. It feels amazing. And this spot here, it's kind of an indentation that's designed to cradle your head, your face, your ear. It just makes for a more comfortable night's sleep. It already has a pillowcase on it, and yes, you can take it off to wash it. Having sold nearly 36,000 of these pillows with over 2,600 positive reviews, I think the public has spoken that this pillow is awesome, and I agree with them. They got free shipping if you buy two. There's some TikTok shop coupons that are available right now, and if you want to pick some up, I got a link below.